Running out of space in your main refrigerator's freezer is a massive headache, especially when you want to stock up on bulk groceries, meal prep for the week, or store large cuts of meat. Trying to cram everything into a standard fridge freezer often results in an unorganized mess, forgotten food buried at the back, and unnecessary trips to the grocery store. The 7.0 cubic foot chest freezer completely solves this storage squeeze, serving as a spacious, heavy-duty deep freeze that fits comfortably into your home setup without swallowing up your floor space. What makes this compact mini freezer such an exceptional addition to your home, apartment, or garage is its perfect balance of capacity and efficient, quiet performance. Packing a generous 7.0 cubic feet of interior space, it holds an incredible amount of frozen goods while maintaining an energy-saving design that won't spike your monthly electricity bill. It features a responsive, 6-level adjustable mechanical thermostat control, allowing you to easily fine-tune the interior temperature anywhere from standard freezing down to deep freeze conditions based on exactly what you are storing. The user-friendly design features a balanced, top-opening door that stays open on its own at angles between 45 and 90 degrees, leaving both of your hands completely free to pack or unpack heavy items. Inside, a sliding, removable wire storage basket keeps your smaller, everyday items, like ice cream, frozen veggies, or bagged snacks, right at the top for quick access. When it comes time to maintain a unit, an integrated, front-facing defrost water drain makes emptying out the water during manual defrosting entirely hassle-free. Plus, the Whisper Quiet compressor operates at a barely noticeable volume, making it just as suitable for a quiet kitchen or basement apartment as it is for a rugged garage workspace. If you are ready to stop playing grocery store Tetris and finally get the deep freeze storage space your family needs, click the link below for the best price. Drop a comment below letting me know if you plan to keep your freezer in the kitchen, basement, or garage. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical home and appliance breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.